When you list RC parts on eBay, there are a few things you should keep in mind in order to ensure a successful sale. First, take clear and well-lit photos of the parts you are selling. Next, write a detailed and accurate description of the parts, including any relevant information such as dimensions, condition, etc. Finally, be sure to price the parts competitively in order to attract buyers. By following these tips, you can maximize your chances of making a successful sale on eBay. In the title, include the brand, model, and any relevant keywords that buyers might use to search for the item. In the description, provide details on the condition of the item, what is included, and any other information that would be helpful to potential buyers. Finally, set a fair and reasonable price, taking into account shipping costs and eBay fees. I have a pro-level trick that hardly anyone knows, and those who do are grabbing up all the sales and leads and not paying $1 more. Be sure to watch the bonus training at Wars in Your Favor the How, What, When I let you in on a true game-changing secret about setting up your listing.